Janet Beckers here, answering a really unusual question. Can competitors help each other in business? Okay, so first of all, let's define a competitor, and I want to tell the difference between a competitor and a strategic relationship. And this is really important to know because strategic relationships is how I've built my whole business. It's how I help my clients to be able to create really strong businesses without having to do advertising and have a huge mailing list or even websites. So understanding a strategic relationship and not confusing it with a competitor is step number one. So here's the difference. Both have got your ideal client in their audience, either their mailing list, their customers, their followings. That's fantastic. But a competitor solves pretty much the same problem you do. Whereas a strategic partner, a strategic relationship, well, they don't solve the same problem. Or they may solve things at a different stage on the journey, but you're not competing each other in promising the same outcomes. That's really important to know because it is not unusual to find somebody where you go, oh, I absolutely love what you do. I love what you do. Let's find a way that we can work together. I've had this numerous times, this conversation, and it sounds crazy, but it's very true. So we'll spend our time working out, what do we do? How do we get results? And then sometimes we've got to go, you know what? I think we're competitors, really, more than, being able to promote each other. So we're just going to confuse our clients if we start sending people and promoting over to you. And as much as I love what you do, let's just accept we're friends, okay? I can still support you by cheering you on. I can still support you by emotionally and, just catching up. But we can't really promote each other. And probably the reason why you were drawn to each other is you're passionate about helping the same people. How could you not love somebody like that? Okay, so you can still support each other in business, but be very, very clear where the boundary lines are. And so I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever found yourself really wanting to do some kind of partnership with somebody because you just really connect, but then you realize, oh, actually, that didn't work out. We were really competitors and it was just muddying the water. I'd love to hear from you. Have you had that situation? Now, if you'd like to know how do you build your business with strategic relationships, so you don't need a huge mailing list, you don't need to have a fancy website, you don't need to have all of your techie ducks in a row. If you want to know how you do that and what you need to have in place to make it work seamlessly, have a look at the link at the end here because I've got free training for you, okay? And I'll walk you through those steps in my new free training for you, my new masterclass. Okay, love to hear from you and go get them, okay? Get out there, make a difference, get to know people. Bye.